Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be talking about some winter annual plants that you can grow in small containers. If you don't have a lot of space and you want to grow some beautiful flowers in small size pots, then this will be great for you. So stay tuned, and if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected. So number 1 in my list is Geranium. This is one of my favorite plants. They flower in a bunch, and look how awesome the flower balls look like. They come in many colors, and they also have scented leaves, which is a bonus. I have grown them in a 6-inch pot and they bloomed really well. They have small roots, so they don't need a big container to grow. They're very hardy sun-loving plants and they need a well-draining soil to grow well. So plant this, they're very easy. You can see the detailed geranium video. The link is in the description. Number 2 in my list is Sweet Alison or Alison. This is such a beautiful delicate plant, and the flowers are very tiny. They fill up the whole plant. These flowers have a beautiful scent too. They mainly come in pink, white and purple colors. You can grow them in a very small pot. A 6-inch pot is enough to grow them. Sunny to partial shade area and well-draining soil is perfect for this plant to grow. They are not very difficult to grow at all, and they are great plant for small spaces. You can grow them with other plants like pansy, which brings me to the next plant, number 3, pansy. Pansy is a very unique looking flower. They are a must-have in your winter garden, and they come in various colors and combinations. You can grow more than one plant in one large pot like me, or you can plant one plant in a single pot. They like well-draining, loose soil and cool weather. The plants don't grow too big and they have a small root system, so you can choose a 5 to 6-inch pot for pansies. They don't like too much heat, so give them partial shade when the weather gets too hot. So grow them, they are really unique plants. Number 4 in my list is California poppy. They're one of my favorites. Look how beautiful they look. They usually come in this yellow and orange shade. These plants are very low maintenance plants, and the plant don't grow very big, so they are perfect for growing in small containers. You can see I have grown them in a very tiny pot. They will grow quite well in poor soil, but they need a well-draining soil and lots of sunlight to grow well, so definitely grow them in your garden. The next plant in my list is Dianthus. This is a very common plant for our winter gardens. One of the best things about this plant is that it flowers all year and you can keep them alive for a long time. To grow them, you can choose a 6 or 8-inch pot. They will need a lot of sunlight to flower well. Plant them in a well-draining soil and give them 6 hours of direct sunlight, and they will give you great results. Number 6 in my list is Verbena. These are also one of the most popular and easy plants to grow. You can see they bloomed so well in such a small container. They come in many colors. They're also very long lasting and they will flower till summer. Place them in a sunny area to get lots of flowers. They will grow well in well-draining soil. They don't need too much maintenance, so definitely add them in your garden. The last plant in my list is Cinderella. This is another beautiful plant that has small root system, but they give you great vibrant bunch of flowers. The flowers are very long lasting and great for attracting bees and butterflies in your garden. A 6 to 8-inch container is more than enough for them. They do really well in small spaces. These plants like cool weather and they don't like too much heat, so grow them in partial shade area. Use a rich well-draining soil to plant them. A balcony or window is perfect place for them, so grow them. This was my list of 7 plants that you can grow in small pots. Don't forget to press the like button if you like this video. I will be posting more, so stay tuned and I will see you next time. Bye!